Hello guys, in this video I will teach you how to install a website translation widget to translate your WordPress website. In my example is the ultimatedirectory.com. It's a WordPress website. We'll install this handsome multilingual switcher, and we will use for that a WordPress plugin. It's free. It's called Convey This Translator. So to get started, let's go. First of all, to activate the plugin, we need to register on this website, conveythis.com. I already have the registration, so we just go to the dashboard, which looks something like this, and we activate our domains. Since we're using the WordPress, we don't need to activate domains. We just go into a directory. Let's authorize in the directory. And let's go into our installed plugins section. Scroll down. If this is the plugin I'm currently installed for demonstration purposes, but I'm going to deactivate it and where is it? Convey this, and I'm going to delete this. So we'll start from scratch. I'm deleting this plugin. Now, if we go on the website, it's not available in the bottom right corner. So here we go. Let's start over. So this is our WordPress website. We go into a dashboard and search on the left hand side for the plugins and click on Add New. Okay. Here we have a search box, and in search box type in Convey This. You type in Convey This, and the plugin is suggested here. Click on Install. It's installed, and click on Activate. Ta-da! So the plugin is installed. It appears on this left-hand side, but can also appear in the Installed Plugins section. If I click on Install Plugins, I scroll for Convey This and go into Settings. In the settings, I need to provide my API key and select the languages I would like this website to be working in. So my API key could be found on my dashboard once I create an account and Convey This. So this is my API key. Of course, you'll have to use your own one. This is just for the demonstration purposes. Don't try to copy it. It's useless. It will block you. This is English, and let's do Russian, and let's do French, and let's do German, and even Chinese. The Chinese dialect we use in the simplified one, for the mainland, or in other words, it's Mandarin. We use Japanese. Let's use Japanese, Arabic. And which one you want to use? Tell me. Italian? Let's do Italian. Okay, enough of the languages. Let's click on Save Changes. Okay, changes are saved. And our preview would be like this. It'll be American flag, Russian, French, German, Chinese, Japanese, Arabic, and Italian. There's some further customization I can do. I can click on Show More Options. And here I can enable automatic language redirection. By default, it's yes. If the visitor has, for example, a German browser, he'll be redirected to your German version right away. I can hide the Convey This logo if I want to, but I choose to keep it just so people can click on it and be redirected to Convey This. I keep this flag for SEO purposes on because it adds additional HTML elements to redirect people to the index pages. And here I can customize my my widget, instead of appearing at the corners of the page, it could be integrated. Here I can change the shape of the flag. Okay, I choose it not to change it, so let's keep it this way. Here I can make a shorter widget, so it will be not the full length of the language, but it's shorter, or it could be without any element, any name. So it's up to you guys. Let's keep it full text, and a couple of other setups. For example, if I want to change French of France, since I never been to France, but I've been to Canada, let's select French language and assign it a different flag. For example, I want to assign Canadian flag. Let's scroll down to Canada. We'll see this maple leaf, and it will be assigned to the French version. And a couple of pages. The last one is I can provide URLs of the page where I don't want my widget to be loaded, which is also could be useful in certain circumstances, such as online store. Okay, so the widget has been saved, and now let's leave the settings section and go back to the actual website. So click on the website, and the widget appears right here. It shows Italian, Arabic, Japanese in the same sequence that we ordered them. So let's switch on Russian language. The widget does something, and the translation pops out. As you can see, the plugin has made this additional slug available, the new directory. So those actually the cached Russian translations, and when Google comes to your website, it will find out that version thanks to, let's take a Control U and look at the source code of the page, and we can see that you see canonical, it creates the link rel tag. It gives like a static page for the Google. So let's go back to the English version. Let's go back to English. English would be without any additional slug. So let's look at this. And as you can see, this is this important thing for your multilingual compatibility. It's called hreflang. For each language we specified, it has the region and the dedicated static URL. So the Google will be able to click on those URLs and visit those corresponding languages. And all subsequent pages in those languages will be also indexed. If we go back to Russian, and once it's translated, we go to any of the pages. Let's click on this one, Юристы в Лондоне к вашим услугам. It takes this page, it keeps the RU slug, but it also translates this following page into Russian language as well. So that ensures that all your inner pages are also translated completely. Here also the important thing is that if I refresh the page, I need to make sure I'm staying under the limits. So I'm right now on a Pro plan, and it gives me the 200,000 words of translation and activated 7 languages. But you know, if this number keeps growing, you will need to update your plan. So this website allows you to do that. It's a complete solution for a website translation. So to answer your question, how to install the website translation widget on your website using WordPress, you know, by the time of you watch this video, now you know how to do that. If you have any other questions on how to customize this widget, or if you have suggestions on how we can improve it, please leave some comments in the comment section below it. Give this video a like or dislike if you don't like it. Show us some of your emotion, activity, and we welcome all opinions, all inputs into it. That's it. Thank you for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.